Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Asgari Channel, a faith healer o Zamatarder. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin na nagsabi sa nating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, as regards sa ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a reading lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. Comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik diglig na gumapang biyaya manubalik sa inyo. So kumapit ka na dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages give me information for the sign of Aries. So Aries. There's a Seven of Swords. There's a Snakiness. So, ibig sabihin dito may kumukuha na information sa'yo, no? Or either there's cheating and lying on you. And because there's a Four of Swords, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Maaaring nga pumapasok to sa panaginip mo na itong tao na to, kumbaga nagsisinungaling or there's a betrayal against to you, no? Talagang ginagawan ka talaga ng issue or something kumagawa ng kasinungalingan, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's Ten of Pentacles. So, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, there's a solid foundation pagdating sa finances. And of course, there's a Six of Cups. There's a memories, reminisce, there's a familiarity. So, kumbaga, hindi ka na bago sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, at the end of the time, magkakaroon ka na success dito. And of course, there's Six of Swords by transition, no? Maaalis ka ng sitwasyon mo. Let's see. And of course, there's the lover. So, some of you kumbaga may asawa, and of course, may partner na, no? And of course, dito na there's a transition na magaganap sa inyong dalawa, no? Let's see what is the Seven of Swords. And because there's a Five of Pentacles in reverse, so ibig sabihin there's a recovery about sa finances, no? Recovery from financial loss. So, maaaring makaka-recover ka na about sa finances. Let's see what is the Four of Swords. So, there's a Death card. So, there's an ending and a new beginning. So, makinig ka sa iyong intuition na yung mga bagay na nararamdaman mo na there's something wrong and there's something behind the scenes, gano'n. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles. So, there's Three of Wands. So, there's a waiting for a soul to waiting for a shift. Something na may mga bagay na kailangan mo antayan, have a patient, or something na, there's a trouble na magdadala sa'yo ng financial windfall. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring makakapagtrabaho ka sa ibang bansa, or something na may opportunities abroad, or something na business trip or business opportunities. Let's see what is the Six of Cups. So there's a Ten of Wands in reverse. So ibig sabihin dito na natapos na yung obligation nyo pagdating sa family. You're also family oriented, yes of course. Pero kumbaga dapat mo nang tapusin at maaaring tapos na, no? Kasi kumbaga naging naging burden to sa'yo, itong responsibilidad na request yung obligasyon na to talaga, bonggang paghihirap sa ito. What is that? Six of Swords. So, there's a Knight of Cups. There's a offer, email, or messages coming in for you. Let's see what is the Lovers. So, there's an Eight of Cups. So, letting go, moving on. So, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, kailangan nyo makaalis sa situation with your person. So, let's see what is the Seven of Cups, Seven of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles in reverse. So, there is a Nine of Pentacles. Being security and being practical, no? Kailangan na, kumbaga, secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Maging maingat, maging matalino, gano'n. And of course, slow and steady, panatiling kalmado. So, let's see what is the Four of Swords and the Death card. And of course, there's temperance, a perfect timing, and there's a there's a solid foundation. So, and of course, there's a divine intervention. May mga paalala sa iyong ating divine na maaaring pinapasok to sa panaginip mo. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles and the Three of Wands. So, there's a Chariot card, taking action. So, kung gusto mo mabago ang buhay mo, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, 'di ba? Nasa sa iyo talaga ang kumbaga pag-asenso, nasa pagkilos. Kung tatamad-tamad ka, walang magbabago. And of course, there is some Queen of Pentacles. There is a good sense pagdating sa trabaho or negosyo mo, no? Talagang marunong ka humawak ng finances. Talagang, ang nangyayari lang kasi lahat ng mga pinagpaguran mo, talagang binibigay mo sa family mo. At the end of the time, ikaw lang ang nahihirapan. 'Di ba? Kung baga sinasabi dito, kailangan maging ano ka, secure ka sa lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Kasi at the end of the time, ikaw lang din ang, kumbaga, wala kang magiging sandigan at wala kang pangahawakan. So, let's see what is the Six of Swords and the Nine of Cups. Sorry. There's a Three of Swords in reverse. So, see, there's a recovery from the pain. So, this is the moment na, kumbaga, itong offer na to, by the transitions, kumbaga, makaka-recover ka na sa lahat ng sakit at sa lahat ng, kumbaga, sinakripisyo mong paghihirap. So, let's see what is the Lovers and the Eight of Cups. So, there's a The Hangman. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, kailangan mo na makaalis sa sitwasyon and there's a delays or something hung. No, maaring hindi kayo makaalis sa situation with your person kasi kumbaga, or either baka nakikisama na kayo sa iyong biyanan or sa mga kapatid ng asawa mo, gano'n. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kailangan nyo ng lumipat. There's an unhealthy situation out there na kailangan mo mag-take ng action. So, let's see what is the outcome. So, there's the word card. So, some of you may trouble. No? Mayroon kayong trouble dito. And then, first, there's a page of sword. Information. Being curious. Kailangan maging curious ka sa lahat ng bagay. Matanong ka dapat. And because there's a Seven of Wands in power the deck. Kumbaga, you are also protected. Sinasabi dito with the Page of Pentacles, there's a manifestation. Kung ma-manifest mo yan with the King of Swords, being wise. No? Kailangan maging wise ka sa lahat ng bagay. Paghihirap, lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Kailangan maging wise ka. Let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. There's a temptation. Some of you kumbaga, lapitin ka ng tukso, kumbaga, natutukso ka sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa finances, yung mga utang-utang, ganon. Kumbaga, there's a temptation. And of course, guys, there's healing. Magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing dito in all aspects, no? At the same time, there's a stability control. So, ibig sabihin dito is the moment na, kumbaga, dadaloy na with the flow, no? Dadaloy na yung mga eksena na to at magkakaroon ka na ng stability. And of course, there's a regret. May mga bagay na pinanghihinayangan ka o pinagsisisihan ka, no? So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card.
Speaker. Tagalin mo speaker ko.
And of course, there's unhealthy choices. So, some of you dito, kumbaga, there's unhealthy choices daw, no? Self-love, gano'n. And of course, there's an engagement ring. Some of you, kumbaga, there's partnership, no? And union, commitment. And of course, there's an addiction. I told you, di ba? Na meron dito obsession or possession or something na, kumbaga, kailangan mag-ingat ka sa temptation sa lahat ng mga eksena. Kasi minsan nagkakaroon ng obsession sa isang situation or sa isang bagay, no? Kailangan maging maingat ka. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages. There is an express your individuality. Na ipakita mo kung sino ka. Kung pakita mo kung anong kakayanan na meron ka. Allow your true self to shine because you're awesome. Diba? Pakita mo na, ganito ko, gano'n. Ipakita mo kung ano yung meron ka, diba? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. So, some of you guys, there's a sense of humor. Kumbaga, kailangan magkaroon ka ng sense of humor sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo. Marunong ka maging balanse, no? Kaya mo pa rin ngumiti kahit na ang kirot-kirot na. Ganon. And because there's a personal you're asking is about trustworthy. Ibig sabihin dito, your person na kinakausap mo, yung mga taong malapit sa'yo, yan yung taong mapagkakatiwalaan mo. And have confidence. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo na kaya mo lagpasan, kaya mo yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, kayang-kaya mo, yakang-yaka yan, ganon. Kasi confident is key to success. Hindi ka magtatagumpay kung talagang mahiyain or something na tatakot ka. Ganon. Kaya there's a confidence na kailangan. And of course, your children are watched over by angels. So, sabihin din, kung may mga supling or may mga anak ka, ginagabayan daw ng ating mga angel spirit guides. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a friendship. So, there's an involvement by friendship. And because there's a judgment. There's an all uniqueness, no? May mga bagay tayong pinagdadaanan. Kanya-kanya tayo ng pagalingan na pagdala. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a confidence. Talagang meron talaga involvement na confidence dito. Fire Opal. And of course, there's a waning moon by self-inventory. So, kailangan mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. I told you, di ba? Kailangan mo mag-invest sa sarili mo, hindi sa lahat ng oras. Kumaga, may makakapitan, meron ka mahihingi ng tulong. Kaya kailangan, kumaga, lahat ng pinaghihirapan mo, dapat alam mo kung saan mo siya ilalagay. Pero, kumaga, tutulong tayo. And of course, magbibigay tayo ng tulong, pero hindi sa lahat ng oras at hindi sa lahat ng panahon. And of course, there's a Piraeus environment, no? Kumbaga, there's information na kailangan nyo ng, kumbaga, magkaroon ng sariling eksena. Kumbaga, siguro, there's a toxic environment, no? So, let's see what is the Moonsology. Expect the powerful change. Kumbaga, mag-expect ka sa mga magbabago. Yung pagbabago magaganap, no? Sa buhay mo. And of course, don't let past hold you back. No, wag mo raw babalikan yung mga nakaraan na, yung mga bagay na nagdulot sa iyo ng pighati at of course kirot at kasinungalingan at of course betrayal. So let's see what is the energy. Energy is the thinking woman. So some of you kumaga, kung ikaw ay babae, if you were women na Aries, kumaga overthinking ka. If you were artist na men, ibig sabihin yung person mo overthinking or being paranoid or something, kumbaga tamang hinala. There's the word card. There's a trouble. Meron talaga confirmation dito na may trouble talaga, ha? Let's see what is the chakra. What is the chakra messages for you? There's a victim. I told you, maaaring biktima ka ng pang-abuso. Mapang-abuso. And of course, there's an insecurity. May mga naiinggit sa'yo behind your back. And there's a soulmate connection. So, ibig sabihin talagang, there's a love coming in. So, additional messages. Oh my goodness. And, sinasabi dito, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka, nasa tamang wisyo ka. Hindi ka naliligaw, no? And of course, there's trust. Magtiwala ka lang sa process and progress. Magtiwala ka lang sa ating mga angel spirit. Magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo na kayang-kaya mo yan. Sa lahat ng pagdadaanan mo, kayang-kaya mo yan. Ko pa ba? Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. Because I'm sorry. So, some of you, there's a person na hihingi sa'yo ng tawad. And there's an apology talaga. And of course, sinasabi dito by the Starkeeper. Stay on your ground. So, kailangan, hindi ka dapat may pagiging marupok, pero wag mo ipakita sa kanya yung pagiging marupok, ha? Kailangan magkaroon muna kayo ng something na agreement to each and everyone na hindi na mauulit yung ganito, ganon. Wag ka masyadong, wag ka masyadong papakita mo marupok na talagang inaantay mo siya, ganon. Wag ganon. So, kumbaga, ipakita mo muna sa kanya sincere yung mga sinasabi niya. And because there's free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan bigyan mo ng puna ng sarili mo ng pagkakataon, no? At mahalin mo yung sarili mo. At kailangan sundin mo yung sarili mo na kailangan mo ng ganito, kailangan mo ng ganyan. Kailangan mo rin na maging masayas, no? Sa sarili mo. And meditation. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate, no? Para malaman mo ang kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Kasi there's a meditation by spirit guides na kailangan natin eh. There's an inner voice na kumbaga ibubulong niya yung mga bagay-bagay na dapat natin matutunan at dapat natin malaman. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. If you have a faith as a grain of mustard seed, you shall say unto them, mountain, remove hands from the yonder place, and it shall be removed. Ibig sabihin dito, nagtitiwala ka sa mga itinanim mong bidhi o itinanim mong bagay, no? Or something pag-uugali sa isang lugar. Kumbaga, kung talagang mabuti ang lugar na tinaniman mo or maganda yung lupa na pinagtaniman mo, kung mataba yan, 'di ba? Ganon. Kumbaga, yayabong yan. Pero kung hindi yan maganda ang lupang tinaniman mo at talagang nagiging problema pa siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya makakabuti sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, maghanap ka ng lugar na alam mo mag-grow ka at magkakaroon ng expansion. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya healthy. Ibig sabihin, iaalis ka ni God dyan sa mga bagay na alam niya hindi makakatulong at hindi ka magkakaroon ng growth and expansion. Tandaan mo, magtiwala ka na ilalagay ka ni God sa mga bagay na alam niyang, kumbaga, yayabong ka, no? Or uunlad ka. Hindi sa bagay na ikasisira mo. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Ano ko sinasabi dito? There's a tutu. I am aligned. So, sinasabi dito, you are in possessions of incredibility and credible creative powers and it is assured that you can achieve anything you wish. Ibig sabihin dito, i-assure daw ng ating angel spirit na, kumbaga, yung mga bagay na kaya mong gawin at kaya mong isipin, kumbaga, magagawa mo yan. Sa lahat ng mga pangarap na, lahat ng mga hinihiling mo, lahat ng mga gusto mong matupad, matutupad yan at sinasabi sa ni God na i-align ka niya, ilalagay ka niya sa dapat mong kalagyan. So, meron tayo guys na angel's answer dito, no? So, magkakaroon tayo ng question regarding sa ano, kung kailangan mo ng question na gamit sa isip, no? Kapag meron ka ng question, magbibilang ako ng 1 to 3 para mag-pick a card ako dito para malaman ko ano yung magiging kasagutan sa katanungan mo. So, ready? Mag-isip na ha. 1 2 3 Angel Spirit guys, please give me the information. And kasi sa dito, there's communicate clearly. So, kailangan mo makipag-communicate, no? Nang maayos. And of course, compromise. So, some of you kung may pinagkasunduan kayo or may pinag-usapan kayo, so, ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon ng pagtitimbang or may kaugnayan dito na kailangan mo sumunod, ganon. Because there's a balance and contract. Messages of life. Sinasabi dito, there's a beyond. Today, I live my consciousness above. Over the illusions, I remember the power I have in every situation. I always have a choice in how I respond. Today, I choose to turn my thoughts towards God. By focusing my awareness beyond the illusions of material world, I experience simplicity and the peace. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, naniniwala ka na, kumbaga, ibibigay ni God yung mga bagay-bagay para sa iyo na para malaman mo at mapag-ingatan mo yung sarili mo, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng intuitions and of course, parang babala ng ating mga angel spirit para maunawaan mo yung mga bagay kung para sa'yo talaga yan at para maunawaan mo yung mga bagay na ipaparating sa'yo na mensahe, no? At yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga kaliwanagan sa lahat ng bagay sa material man or spiritual, no? So this is weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Aries. Maraming salamat, Aries, for this wonderful reading. This reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik diglig nag-uumapa-uma ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po. And of course, see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.